Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. Today we're going to make some shoulder covers to put on clothing in your closet to protect them from dust. I have made a couple. Here I have my fabric, 2 pieces of fabric, 21 inches wide by 12 inches tall, and I have the right sides together. First I'm going to find the middle of the fabric, and by the way, my hanger is about 16 inches wide, so this is the size that works. I'm going to find the middle of that, and it's right here. I'm going to mark it. Let's do that again so I can see it. There's the middle. What I want to do is leave an opening for my hanger, so I'm going to mark 2 inches on either side of the middle. There's 1 inch on each side, so 2-inch opening. There's my opening. And on the sides, I'm going to mark 5 inches from the top. There's 5 inches on that side. And my ruler does not fit around the camera, so we're going to do it this way. 5 inches right here. I'm going to take my ruler and start from that 5-inch mark and go up to the left side of the 2 inches and draw a line. I'm going to do the same on the right side, making sure to leave that 2-inch opening, starting from the 5-inch mark, and draw a line. Then I'm going to move my ruler 1/2 inch past the line and trim this off. Same thing on the other side. Set my ruler down, get the pencil out of the way. 1/2 inch and cut that off. I am ready to sew. I'm going to start at the bottom, go up to that line and follow along. And the trick is to stop before the end. I'm going to stop about 1/2 inch before I finish. And then I'm going to start again here, 1/2 inch from the edge of the fabric, follow along. And what I did on these corners is I curved it just a little bit. You don't have to curve it. And then I sewed all the way to the bottom. So let's go to the sewing machine right here and see how this goes. I'm going to start on the bottom, go up to that pencil line, curve it a little bit, and stop at the opening for the hanger. Okay, there's my pencil line. I'm going to stop right here, back stitch for a little bit. Then I'm going to start over here, about 1/2 inch from the edge, do a little back stitch to hold it in place, gives it a little more durability. When I get to the end here, I'm going to curve it just a little bit and go to the bottom. So far, so good. Now I want to hem my shoulder cover. So I'm going to start on one of the ends here, turn it under once and twice, kind of roll it over. If you are not comfortable with just doing this as you go, then I would press it down twice, once, and then once again get the raw edge inside. You can press it or you can pin it, or you can do both. I am just going to roll it under as I go and eyeball it, because I know this is not, it's not going to matter that much how even it is. It's going to be hiding away in the closet. I'm using cotton fabric that I am reusing from a sheet. The sheet got a hole in it and I kept the fabric, washed it, and now, since it's a queen size sheet, I can make a whole lot of these shoulder covers. I don't know how many I need, but I can make quite a few. All right, we're almost at the end. That's that. So we've hemmed it. There it is. Now, what I want to do about the top is I'm going to fold this opening under just a little bit, and I'm going to sew that raw edge inside. Again, you can go to your ironing board and you can press this in first, but today I'm just going to fold it inside and I'm going to sew along, get that raw edge inside. That's one side. Just fold it inside, the raw edge in. Okay. You're done with the shoulder cover. If you want to, you can go back and you can add a little trim, or you can leave it as is to protect your clothing. Happy sewing.